How to delete chats on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to remove messages from a conversation on your Android device. First, open Snapchat on your Android device and go to the chat you want to clean up. To delete a specific message, press and hold on it until a menu appears. From the options that pop up, tap Delete and Confirm. The message will be removed from your side of the conversation. If you want to clear an entire conversation instead, go back to your main chat list and press and hold on the conversation you want to delete. From the options that appear, tap Chat Settings, then tap Clear Conversation and Confirm. This wipes the entire chat history from your side. Keep in mind, deleting messages on Snapchat only removes them from your side. If the other person has already opened and seen the message, it will still be visible on their end. Snapchat will also notify the other person if you delete a message after it's been sent, so keep that in mind before removing anything from a conversation. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete chats on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.